Hello and welcome to KH Motorcycles. My name's Steve and today we're looking around this 2021 21 plate Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. This bike has covered just over 20,000 miles. It's in nice condition. There's obviously usual signs of wear and tear with that sort of mileage. I'll point it out as we go around. Starting off at the front, a couple of little chips on the stickers which you're going to expect with the mileage on this bike, but not too bad, but it's definitely well worth pointing out to people so you can see it. Front wheel was all nice. Olin front forks, all electronically adjusted. Again, nice little thing to have. The Aprilia engine casings, which look really nice, and then AKRAPOVIC exhaust as well, which came on this bike as factory. Tail tide added, and a custom seat. Again, looks really nice. Looks a little bit higher than the standard to me, but really nice to have. All the tank is in nice condition. This bike has had clip-ons put on, the bars removed, just a little bit more aggressive in the kind of riding position. Which, you know, quite a lot of people prefer and tend to do. And again, down this side, all nice and tidy. Again, a couple of little marks on the stickers and, you know, around the front. But with the mileage, it's kind of the stuff you expect with this sort of bike. Come up onto the dash. Let's go through. It's doing 21,987 miles. Give it a little start up. As you'd expect, sounds absolutely incredible with that exhaust on it, not too loud, but just enough so you can hear it. So that's it from me. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias, pop in, show and try the bike on for size, have a coffee and a chat. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.